back, everybody, here at Showbiz Pizza Place, where we're having a good time. And what are we doing? Duke, what are we doing?
Duke, hello, Duke, wake up. Wake up.
Never mind.
We're singing songs about Christmas and sending them back home, and stuff like that.
Duke was thinking about home. That's why he took.
Yeah,
so
you were
long.
just thinking about home at Christmas time, weren't you, Duke?
I miss singing for the family and all. And they never used to like to hear me sing because I used to sing terrible. But now that I'm in a rock and roll band, they like to hear me sing.
Wait, that goes entirely away from what my parents think.
Yeah.
They used to think I could sing good, and then I got in this band, and they say, "What is all that racket?"
Yeah, it's like, and my folks, when I go home for Christmas, they tell folks, too, that their son, their Billy Bob, is a professional singer and sings in a rock and roll band in Showbiz Pizza Place. And everybody goes, huh?
Where's that?
Yeah.
When I'm home, I sit down and make them listen to me.
You make them listen.
Every song I know.
Are you the biggest in your family, Pat?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't got nobody bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what about your Uncle Ferd?
Uncle Ferd?
Yeah.
Well, he's a little bit taller than me, but he ain't as bad.
Yeah. Y'all decorate that tree at home, Pat? You got that tree happening?
Yeah, we got the tree happening out back. You know, we got the.
What do you mean
Out
out back?
back?
What's the deal? What are you talking about?
We decorate our tree in oak tree in the backyard.
The backyard.
Yeah. 'Cause
What do you do that for?
well, some of my relatives still like to climb up in it. When if you have it in the house, they just knock it over. You know.
I sure hope you have ground fault circuit breakers on that tree.
Andy Bird, you're a technoid. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to proudly introduce our buddy Fats here in the Rock-afire Explosion, singing his family's favorite Christmas song, "Oh Holy Night."
Sound like Duke woke up. Hey, Duke, what's that you playing?
Well, I'm doing a song that I do for my mama when I go home for the holidays.
Oh, sound like your mama must be awful syncopated.
Don't talk about my mama, Pat.
Oh, excuse me.
Come, they told me, there's a newborn king to see. I'll find us gifts we bring. To lay before the king. So to honor him, when we come, so that's when we come. my drums, here we come. I said, I'll play my song for you. You know it feels like the right thing to do when I play my drums for you. Yeah!
Yeah, get down with your bad self, Duke. You know, folks, while Duke's home with his folks playing his drums, well, most of my relatives are hibernating. So I just mosey on home, you know, and take a nap with them under those snow-capped mountains of Tennessee. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Me and the fellers here in the band, the Rock-afire Explosion and Showbiz Pizza Place, want to thank everybody for coming in and sharing their Christmas holidays with us. And we hope you'll make it a part of your Christmas tradition every year.